Hello everyone and welcome to the course of Database Management System, or in short we call it as DBMS. In this video we will be seeing the basic introduction to DBMS. Before DBMS we were using the file system approach. In the later videos we will see more about file systems and why we prefer the database approach over the file system approach. Before we get into the topic, let us see the outlines or the topics that we are going to cover in this video. The first one we are going to see is the basic definitions or the basic terminologies that we need to know. Next, we will be looking into the definitions and functionalities of the database management system, and then we will be discussing about the properties of a database. Next, we will be briefly looking into an illustration of a simplified database system environment, and then finally, to understand the database and its functionalities better, we will be looking into an example of a university database. So, as we discuss, first we will be looking into the basic definitions in relation to DBMS. The first one is data. Data is any facts or unprocessed facts that you can record. Like for example, any numbers, name of the person, name of a place, or kind of text, images, audio, video, etc. All these are called as data. Next, what is information? These unprocessed facts are otherwise called as data. When they are processed to make a meaningful context, then that is called as information. Or in other words, I can say it is processed data. Like for example, the age of Somsekhar is 28. So here I take raw facts or the unprocessed facts, process it to make a meaningful context, and that is called as information. Next, let us see what is a database. A database is a collection of related data. Now, a random collection of data or data that is not related cannot be referred to as a database. It has to be a collection of related data. Like for example, the data in an online banking system database has to be related to that particular bank. Similarly, the data in the library management system database has to be related to that particular library. So, this is what we call as database. The next one is metadata. Metadata is nothing but the database definition, or in other words, I can say it is the complete description of a database, or it defines the database information like storage format or the data types of the data that we are going to store in the database, or the constraints on the data. All this information is called as metadata. So, these are the basic definitions we have seen. In further videos, we will see more definitions related to DBMS. Thank you for watching this video.